Thinking of updating your kitchen? Picking the right color combination can completely transform your space and make your home feel brand new. But here's the thing. Everyone shows you kitchen colors. Almost nobody shows you what to do after you pick one, and that's exactly where most kitchens go wrong. So today, I'm showing you 7 kitchen color combinations for 2026 that are timeless, elegant, and designer approved. And for each one, exactly how to design the whole kitchen like a pro. At number 7, we are starting with the boldest combination on the list: Burgundy, Pink-Beige, and Classic Brass. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Burgundy sounds incredibly risky for a kitchen. But major paint brands like Behr are leaning heavily into this look with deep, luxurious rubies like Rumors. And Sherwin-Williams is showcasing rich tones like Cordovan. Think of it as a deep, rich wine color instead of a bright red. But here is the secret to making burgundy look elegant instead of gothic. You cannot pair it with a cold, stark white. It needs a soft balance, and it needs warmth. To design this like a professional, paint your main cabinetry burgundy, but wrap the surrounding walls in a soft pink beige or a warm putty plaster. For your countertops, bring in a creamy marble or a warm-toned quartz. Then, finish the space with classic brass hardware and ground it all with dark wood floors. This creates a stunning boutique hotel look. Because burgundy is bold and very personal, it's the riskiest color on this list for resale. If you love it but still want to play it safe, use it in smaller areas, like the lower cabinets, a butler's pantry, or a home bar, instead of the whole kitchen. Number 6 is the softest surprise of 2026, butter yellow, cream, and universal khaki. Yellow is making a big comeback in kitchens, but not in a bright neon way. Designers are using softened butter, chiffon, and cream-heavy tones that actually behave like a neutral. In fact, Sherwin-Williams specifically recommends their shade lemon chiffon paired with creamy and universal khaki for kitchens this year. The trick to pulling this off like a pro is all about the finish. Yellow cabinets must be done in a satin or low sheen finish, never a high gloss. To build this look, ground the yellow cabinets with khaki or mushroom-toned countertops, warm off-white walls, and rich walnut details. It brings a bright, happy warmth to the kitchen, so the space feels inviting without looking too sweet or childish. If you are not ready to use lemon chiffon on every cabinet, start with the island or a pantry wall instead. You get all the warmth and personality without wondering if you'll tire of it in 5 years. Number 5 is a fresh modern kitchen combo: Smoky Jade, soft white, and brushed metal. For anyone caught in the classic debate between a blue or green kitchen, this palette solves the problem instantly. It features Behr's 2026 Color of the Year, Hidden Gem, a stunning smoky jade that completely redefines how we use color. It behaves like a neutral, giving your kitchen a distinct personality without overwhelming the space. To execute this like a professional designer, pair your smoky jade cabinetry with clean slab or flat panel door fronts. This keeps the color from feeling too heavy or traditional. Then, introduce a countertop in a softly veined, marble-look quartz. When it comes to the metal hardware, you've got options. Go with polished or brushed nickel if you want a clean, classic look, or use aged brass if you want to bring in some extra warmth. Then, for the floors, you can ground everything with a beautiful walnut wood or a natural limestone. Smoky jade is incredibly sensitive to lighting. It can look bright and calming in the morning, but very dark and dramatic at night. Number 4 is all about mood: ink blue, soft white, and Cardosa gray. While blue is no longer the only safe color to use in a home, it is still one of the absolute best bridges between classic traditional styles and modern design trends. Standard bright navy and white is stepping aside for something much more sophisticated. Major trends are favoring blue with true depth, like naval from Sherwin-Williams. When designing the layout, the absolute best countertop to pair with these cabinets is a dark, beautiful stone called Pietra Cardosa. Placing this dark gray stone directly on top of your deep blue lower cabinets creates a low-contrast, highly expensive-looking combination. To keep the kitchen feeling bright and open, use a two-tone look with a soft, warm white on the upper cabinets or walls. This is the ultimate option if you want a dark, cozy kitchen mood, but are not quite ready to commit to fully black cabinetry. At number 3, we have a timeless kitchen combo: deep green, marble white, and aged brass. Deep green is a favorite among top designers because it acts like a rich neutral. But for 2026, the green colors are getting much darker and moodier. If you want a green that is even darker and behaves almost like a rich neutral, you should look at Benjamin Moore Vintage Vogue. The secret with this combination is getting the contrast right. Use dark green on inset or slim shaker cabinets, then balance it with a bright marble-look quartz countertop or a full slab backsplash. This keeps the room feeling spacious and open. For the hardware, use aged brass. The brass brings warmth, the stone brings light, and the dark green brings the drama. To finish the look, use a dark oak floor or another rich wood tone to ground the kitchen. Number 2 color combination for 2026 is Mocha brown, warm putty, and soft black. While brown paint started making a slow comeback in 2025, it has become absolutely huge in 2026. This combination works beautifully because design experts are moving away from the cold colors of the past and embracing deep, warm colors instead. The perfect paint choice for this is Grounded by Sherwin-Williams. Brown can look rich and expensive, but it needs the right balance. If the kitchen does not have good lighting or a lighter countertop, the color can look too heavy and dark. Use plenty of warm under-cabinet lighting and a pale stone or quartz surface to keep the kitchen from feeling closed in. Soften the look with a putty grage or warm khaki on the walls or upper cabinets. Then add soft black in small places, like the light fixtures, counter stools, or slim hardware. This gives the kitchen a sharper, more modern look without making it too dark. And number 1 combo is a beautiful mix of sage green, warm white, and pale oak. This combination is number 1 because it sits right where the biggest kitchen trends are going. Warmer whites, natural wood, soft earthy colors, and kitchens that feel more connected to nature. And the numbers back this up. In a major 2026 kitchen study, natural wood cabinets became more popular than white cabinets in renovated kitchens for the first time. To get this look, start with the star of the palette, Sherwin-Williams Halcyon Green. Then keep everything around it warm and bright. Use a soft white on the walls, upper cabinets, or trim, something like Benjamin Moore Glacier White. Reserve the gorgeous pale rift oak strictly for your kitchen island, open shelving, or a pantry wall. Pair it with a honed quartz counter and a regular handmade white ceramic tile backsplash to capture the light, and aged brass hardware. This combination has the highest resale appeal on the list because it gives the buyers exactly what they want: wood, white, and natural colors. Which combination would you actually use in your kitchen? Comment the number below. I rate every single one.